How to only capture game audio in OBS. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll let you guys know the ways to only capture game audio in OBS. In order to do it so, you could follow the steps. Now first of all, you could add a desktop audio source to OBS. To capture your audio, to capture your game audio, click the plus button under source and select audio output capture, then select add existing or choose desktop audio and hit OK. After which you might want to customize your audio recording option further to ensure the audio is recorded exactly the way you want. In order to access the modified OBS settings, you want to click the settings option to the extreme right on your screen. Then you want to select audio from the left sidebar to view the modified your audio settings. Next, you want to click the start recording option on the right and accept any prompt to get on your screen. Make sure the game audio is being played in the background and this will be recorded in OBS. Now when you have finished recording, click the stop recording button to stop the game audio recording, and likewise after which if you want to check the recording, click the file menu at the top and select show recording. Now this will open a file explorer window that lets you view all the recording you have even created with this software. So OBS is a great way to record game audio on your computer, but if your audio capturing is not the only task you need to do, you're better off using a less overwhelming tools. All for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.